Good evening or good morning, wherever you are in the world. It's Ike Paz, and today it's a follow-up to my watermelon passive income stream. If you haven't seen the first video for this passive income stream, then please check it out. You'll see it at the top over here, or perhaps I'm sure I'll put it in the description for you. But anyways, I just wanted to update you. This is it's been like 3 days or 2 days since I posted my last video, and I want to introduce you to my employees, the people who actually get me the traffic that converts into sales. So I'm going to introduce you to that. First off, I want to show you my landing page for this watermelon baby shower game set. As you can see, it's a 12 pack of printables with some bonuses here. I got some cutouts, of course the answer keys, banners, all the things baby shower hosts would want. And when you're creating a digital product, I don't care what niche you're in, you want to over deliver. You want to give some, and of course you also want to make sure that whatever you're offering, whatever you're over delivering with, adds to the experience, adds to the solution overall. Okay, now let me show you right here real quick. Okay, this is actually things have been pretty slow with my baby shower site recently, but I make sales consistently every day. None of these sales though are from the watermelon. I'm not gonna lie to you, these are not watermelon sales. These are all from previous baby shower printable game sets I created months or years ago. Okay, so if you don't remember, this watermelon baby shower game set I created recently. Before this, it's been almost a year since I created a printable baby shower game set. Sorry. But like I said before, I kind of neglected the site, so I want to get back into the swing of things, so I can create more products, more buttons. See, this button pays me, right? I'm providing value. People want to buy it because it's focusing on something people are searching for. They buy it through here, and I get paid, right? So that's a really cool thing. Now let me show you my employees. This is my first employee. Okay, this employee is me. Okay, this is a YouTube video on YouTube on my baby showers. This is Ike Baby Showers. This is my other YouTube channel. Check this out. I got over 6,000 subscribers. I should actually subscribe to my own list. Sorry, to my own YouTube channel. Okay, that's one right there. This is one of my employees. This video's job is to go out and get me traffic, okay? And of course the traffic's gonna listen to my audience is gonna listen to my video. They're gonna see the description, because I tell them in the description you can get the printable baby shower watermelon game set, and boom, it sends them here, right? Now I just publish these guys, all of this, right? Here's another employee of mine. I took the same video, YouTube, and I didn't link it on Pinterest. I actually uploaded the video onto Pinterest. You can actually upload videos on Pinterest. I believe there's a time limit. I think it should be under 10 minutes. I believe this video is just under 9 minutes and 30 seconds. So this is another little employee of mine going out within the Pinterest platform, getting me traffic, and of course, if they click this button, it takes them back to the same place. Boom. This watermelon baby shower sales page, right, where they can buy. One important thing though, whenever I create a piece of content, or what I like to call them my employees, my digital employees, they always provide value. So in this example, how to make watermelon baby shower games for free. So I teach them real quick how to make a printable baby shower game, right? So you might be like, oh, if you're doing that, why the hell would they buy your printable baby shower games? Well, because I'm over delivering with the actual product, okay? I take away the hassle of creating your own printable baby shower game, right? Let me show you right quick. So I take them through the motions, I show them all the free tools I use, but at the end of the day, I make things easier for them, and I give them 12 games in total instead of them creating 2 or 3. And it's not going to be really good, because chances are, if they're doing this for the first time, it's not going to come out as good as like my printable games, because I have much more experience. Even though it is easy to do, I always start off the video by mentioning that, hey, before I go into my tutorial, let me give you this little coupon code, and you can get all these games for very cheap on my site instead of creating your own, right? And then I take them through the tutorial, and then at the very end I hit them up again and I let them know, hey, why bother creating your own? We can get them all done for you right now. Over 12 games that are proven party starters, are proven to make your guests happy. Okay, so that's what I do with these videos, and of course I have a link straight to my Watermelon Baby Shower Printable Game Set sales page. I also have images, again on Pinterest, right? Pinterest is known for images, and as you can see, I'm already getting lots of impressions. I already got one link click here already, and I just published this recently, like a day ago or 2 days ago. Okay, actually all of my Pinterest pins are, I have this automated with Tailwind. Okay, Tailwind will automate your pins for you. Okay, so for me, when it comes to Pinterest traffic, this is indispensable. I really need my Tailwind, and I recommend if you're really serious about Pinterest traffic, and it's one of the easiest forms, if not the easiest form of SEO traffic still available, then you should get Tailwind. More information about that below. Anyways, so I have this image enticing people to buy because it shows them what they want. I got the big sample there, sample overlay, so they can't just rip me off. Then of course they see this and they know there's 12 more games. They're gonna click on over. So if they click on over, where do they go? Straight to my sales page for Watermelon Baby Shower Printable Games. Okay, and yeah, soon I looked up Watermelon Baby Shower games, and so far my games haven't shown up, but I know they will. I don't think I've ever created a printable baby shower game that hasn't sold at least once. Okay, and I have I think over 50 games now, and each game, the same routine. I create either a video or an image, something like this. I put it on Pinterest, I put it on YouTube. YouTube's another, again, great search engine that's still easy to rank on. Okay, and not only that, video lends itself to higher conversions, right? People love seeing or hearing, getting a visual representation of what they're gonna learn, right? Instead of just reading it out on a post or an article. Not to say that doesn't work, but I find that when it comes to free traffic, I continuously use YouTube and Pinterest. YouTube and Pinterest. Sometimes Quora, and I do have articles that do rank. You might have seen those videos as well. But Google posts are much more difficult to rank for, right? There's just so many posts out there. Okay, so I have one more powerful ally, or I should say one more powerful employee in my disposal to get me traffic, and that's my email list, right? But one really important thing for this watermelon experiment, I'm not gonna use my email list at all. Okay, I've excluded this watermelon baby shower game from my email list funnel. I got 861 contacts. Actually, truth be told, when it comes to my baby shower contacts, I always scrub them off. I mean, I delete them after 30 days because I can't seem to convert them after 30 days for some reason. Not for some reason, because they've already had their baby shower party, so they don't need me anymore. That's what I've surmised. Anyways, I'm not using my email list this time around, and yeah, I make sales every day, and these are my employees. Don't think of this as content. Okay, sorry, not this one. This is an employee of mine. When you create a post, when you create a Pinterest pin, when you create a video on YouTube, think of them as your robotic employees out there working for you 24/7. That's the way you should look at it. You should look at it. Don't look at it as content, right? And these employees of yours help your end user in some way. Okay, really important. Okay, always provide value. Okay, so my videos here, people want to watch my videos because I teach them how to do the thing they want. But my product, it gives them a very quick and satisfying solution, okay, to their problem. Their problem is they want to entertain their guests, right? Yeah, sure, they can go out and create their own game, just like I teach them, but hell, why not just get 12 pre-made, beautiful looking, proven baby shower games, right? You see how it works here. Okay, I hope you liked this video, and I'm gonna update you when I do make a sale on this printable watermelon baby shower game set. You all take care, be good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Ike Pause. Be good, bye-bye.